Is this pure luck or just unimaginable skills? Professional motorcyclist Gary Rothwell did an unbelievable stunt where he dragged himself behind a motorcycle using titanium sole boots. The crazy stuntman even broke the Guinness World Record for the fastest speed dragged behind a motorcycle, and I don't think anyone will want to attempt to break that one anytime soon. Well, looks like Zeus didn't think that picture turned out well enough. He decided to spice it up. This guy's that one friend that you can't bring anywhere. I wonder where he got those skills from. Is this the human version of Case from Interstellar?
Hey, go get her.
Here's what a typical workday looks like in Antarctica.